All right, they're still messing my face up, so I just took that little circle out over here. Let's look at number 13. So this one says, describe the energy transformation in the picture. So we have a battery right here. If it was me and I was answering this question, what type of energy do we start with in a battery? Well, we start with chemical energy. So I would type in chemical energy, and what does a battery turn that chemical energy into? Electrical energy. So your answer should look something along the lines of chemical energy to electrical energy. Okay? Something along those lines. Number 14 says, describe the energy transformation in the picture. And this is a lady eating a piece of pizza. What type of energy is food? It's chemical energy. And what does our bodies turn that chemical energy into? Energy that we need to move around. So I would put for my answer chemical energy to mechanical energy because we use that energy to move around. Number 15 says, describe the energy transformation in the picture. This is a lamp. We can see the cord right there. So the lamp's plugged in somewhere. So we start with electrical energy, and that is transferred into light energy. And if you wanted to put heat energy too, because you and I both know if we put our hand close to a lamp, it's going to be hot, right? So electrical energy to light energy or radiant energy into heat energy, okay? Either one of those would be great. Next, we've got a match that's been lit on fire. So describe the energy transformation in the picture. So this one's kind of cool because matches, if you look at a match before it's been lit, has a chemical on the end. So they start with chemical energy. To light the match, you have to flick it against something, right? So that's mechanical energy. And then it lights up and we see what is in the picture right here. So that is a light. Or it's a flame that gives off light, so that would be radiant energy, and that's also pretty hot. So if you put your hand up there, we have heat energy. So you don't have to have all of those if you don't want them, but any combination of them would be super cool because all that different types of energy is what happens with a match. Kind of neat, right? All right, let's look at number 17. Here we have described the energy transformation in the picture. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a nuclear power plant. What type of energy do we start with in a nuclear power plant? Why nuclear energy? What do we turn that energy into here? We turn it into electricity. So we've got nuclear energy to electrical energy, and there's a process that happens in the middle there, and I'm trying to decide if I want to show you that brain pop video or not. I'm not sure yet. We'll just hang with it. So just know the nuclear power plants turn nuclear energy into electrical energy. If you want to know more about that, go to Clever, go to Brain Pop, and search up nuclear power plant, and it'll tell you how that works. It's really, really kind of cool. Okay, next. Number 18, we've got a plant right here. We've got a sunflower. So what happens with the energy transformations in the sunflower? Well, I'm sure you've talked about this in your 4th and 5th grade classes, maybe even before then. Plants use the energy from the sun. So they take the light or the radiant energy from the sun into their leaves. They do a chemical transformation there. They turn that sunlight into energy that the plants need to grow. So plants are awesome because they start with light energy from the sun. That's where they get their energy from. They use chemical energy. They turn that sunlight into chemical energy that the plants need to grow. So we have sunlight with radiant energy. We've got chemical energy with the photosynthesis. That's what the chemical part there. And then they turn that light energy into mechanical energy so that they can grow. Kind of cool, right? So there's 3 different types of energy there. Solar or light energy, chemical energy, photosynthesis, and mechanical energy when the plant grows. Pretty cool. Okay, number 19 says, describe the energy in the picture. We have a toaster. Man, all kinds of cool stuff happens in a toaster. We got to plug a toaster in, even though it doesn't show the cord right here. If a toaster is going to work, we got to plug it in. So what do we start with? Electrical energy. So we start with electrical. That electrical energy gets turned into heat energy in the little elements inside that toaster. And if you've ever looked at a toaster, you can see those little elements are glowing when they start giving off heat. So we start with electrical energy, turns it into heat energy and radiant energy. Kind of cool, right? Okay, there's number 19. Here we have number 20 in the last one, okay? Describe the energy transformation in the picture. This right here is one of those big wind turbines that we talked about the other day, okay? This is a source of clean energy that we're starting to see more of, which is fantastic. What happens is we're harnessing the wind that's blowing out in the plains, and we're turning that wind into electrical energy. Pretty cool, right? We start with, in this situation, mechanical energy because the wind's blowing and it turns those big old blades on those fans. So we start with mechanical and we turn it into electrical. So we start with mechanical, go to electrical. That is number 20. Y'all are amazing. Have a wonderful day and a great weekend. On Monday, we will have our energy transformation lab, which should be pretty cool. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.